Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make slow motion video. To begin, click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com. Download the installer to your computer, open the file, and then follow the installation instructions. Okay, so open the software and click Create a Project in Full Feature Mode. Import your video file by clicking Add Media Files here. Ideally, in order to get the best slow motion footage, you'd want to have recorded your video at a higher frame rate, such as 48 or 96 frames per second, and then double the shutter speed. If you didn't, it's okay. The software can still create the slow motion effect. Once you have your video on the timeline, select it and click Clip Properties here. To make the footage slow motion, you'll simply need to reduce the speed of your video. You can play with the scroll bar here or enter a percentage if you prefer. The lower you go, the slower your video is. Personally, I like to go with 50%, especially if you shot it with the proper frame rate and shutter speed. If you want to add music, just click this button. Click Music, select a song you like, and drag it to the timeline, or you can add your own. If you have more clips that you want to add to your slow motion video, you can add them here. Transitions are also available if you need them, as are titles, which are very useful for intro and credit scenes. There you have it. Making a slow motion video is easy with my favorite video editing software. Click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com and get started. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, leave your comments or any questions below, and click subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Good luck.